Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and isolating the moment you want to magnify. Place the playhead at the exact frame where the zoom should begin, then trim excess footage so you work only with the relevant segment. Once done, make sure project quality is set higher to avoid pixelation during scale. This matters because zooming enlarges pixels. You're now ready to add motion. Switch to the canvas and timeline view so you can see keyframes and the shot's composition before the next steps. Next, you build the motion using keyframes. Add the first keyframe at the start of your trimmed clip with default scale and position. This anchors the beginning. Then move the playhead to where the zoom should finish and add a second keyframe. Increase scale to zoom in and nudge position X/Y so the subject stays centered. You can add intermediate keyframes to smooth awkward framing. Make small scale increments. Large jumps look jarring, so the zoom feels natural and directed. Finally, refine the zoom and export. Play the clip at full speed and watch for abrupt changes. If it feels mechanical, add easing or insert an intermediate keyframe to soften acceleration and deceleration. Make tiny position tweaks so the subject doesn't drift off-center. When satisfied, export with your chosen resolution and frame rate. If the image jitters or looks pixelated, reduce the zoom amount or apply stabilization. And remember, starting with higher resolution footage prevents quality loss during scaling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.